Hi again, Roger Moore, and this is a new product demonstration for the Sheldon Laboratory Systems. This is a mobile Infinity Axis table, very similar to our Axis Infinity line in that it carries some of the same great features, like this 8-foot top and meeting the NSTE guidelines for being large enough for 4 students. It also is made out of epoxy resin, which makes it great for science experiments and durability over the years. It has a marine edge to it that keeps spills off of the floor and your science experiments on the top. It also goes from lab to lecture in 8 seconds, and we'll demonstrate that a little bit shortly for you. As you can see, the Axis Infinity table, now being mobile, is easy to move around. It comes with these leveling casters that will help you go from being mobile and by a simple twist goes to a very stable platform to do your science experiments on. What you need is electric nearby. After plugging it in, you'll see that it has some of the same features as the Axis Infinity line. It comes with GFI standard on the front of the unit. It also raises and lowers, as I will demonstrate. This allows you to go from lab to lecture in 8 seconds. One of the new features, however, is this water operating control panel. By turning this key and unlocking the systems, you can see that we have a green light here. This green light indicates that the system is ready to run. If you need to add water, you'll see this red light come on. This tells you to add water to the system. If you have enough water in the reservoir, you'll see this yellow light. This yellow light would tell you to stop adding water to the system. Also, when you want to turn it off, or if you have an emergency with the water system, just by a press of this button, we'll cut the system back off. If you need it on, use the keys. This is your classroom management to keep your students from playing with it. The water up top operates exactly like one of your service fixtures would in a perimeter casework or a standard table. If you just turn it on, it will supply water as you need it at 1.5 gallons per minute. When you need to remove your water or your waste from your experiment that you've thrown into the basin, you'll pick the basin up and you'll take it to a standard drain with a plumbing fitting and a dilution tank, and it will be an adequate waste disposal for you from the basin standpoint. When you need to fill the system, remove the plug and add water. And there you have some of the basics of the new mobile Axis Infinity system. Thank you, and thank you for showing Sheldon.